Hello everyone, myself Amya Lulle from 3rd year BH presenting before you my design project of mixed community housing. According to the brief, we were required to design housing community with certain sets of requirements. We were required to build housing consisting of mixed types which is both affordable and luxurious. I have designed the community into two parts, that is stand-alone housing and cluster housing, in which stand-alone housing is used for 4 BHK duplex and the cluster housing is used for 2 3 BHK and 4 BHK buildings. Case study. The case study I have done for house project was the Cadbury village known as the Boneville village today. It was the decision of Cadbury founder George Cadbury to build houses for the workers of the factory. The decision was taken because the workers had to travel a long distance for the factory. The village was created for the officers and the workers of the factory, which decreased the travel time from factory to the home for the workers. George Cadbury thinking was towards the health of the workers. Due to this thinking, the houses were also designed. The houses adapted the Tudor house architectural style. Every house had a green space and a natural ventilation, which provided more comfort for the workers who came tired from the factory. Because of the reduced travel time, factorymen got time to spend with their family. Site analysis. The site is situated in Gangapur village, which is situated at outskirts of the Nashik city. The site is adjoining to the major road of 30-meter wide. This major road connects the city to the village. Besides this, at the west of the site, there is famous Someshwar temple complex. At the northern side, there is the Godavari river. The site is divided naturally by the water stream into two parts, that is the upper part and the lower part. The upper part is the bigger, that is the area of the part is 28,760 square meter and the lower part is of the area of 12,590 square meter. Also, at the northern side of the site, there is the reserved site for the Goda Park. As mentioned above, the site has a major road of 30-meter wide at the south side of the site. It is the major accessibility point to the site. The major entrances to the site is from this major road. I have divided the site into three parts, that is semi-public, public and private spaces. The public and semi-public spaces are the commercial complex in the sports area, and the private spaces are the residential areas and the amenity space. The commercial complex is adjacent to the major road of the village. It is accessible to the public and also the residents of the housing community. There are four access points to the site. Starting from the leftmost entry is used for the emergency services. Then comes the main entry, which is situated between the commercial complexes, which have a security cabin. Then comes the pedestrian entry after the commercial complex. The rightmost point, which serves as the exit point, are also the entry point to the 4 BHK users. There are two commercial complexes in which left complex contains 8 medium shops and the right contains 8 big shops. The medium shops have size of 6 by 10 meter and big shops have size of 18 by 6 meter. After the commercial part, there comes the residential part, which contains 8 buildings of 2 3 BHK apartments, 3 bungalows of 4 BHK duplex and 2 buildings of 4 BHK apartments. The 2 3 BHK buildings are arranged such as they have one major accessible road which is 8 meter wide and they divide into other internal roads of 4 meter wide. Then comes the amenity space. It have the river frontage and contains of a multipurpose hall, indoor game space, swimming pool and an admin area. Parking plan. This is the parking plan which shows parking of the 4 and 2 wheelers. The commercial and sports area houses parking of 40 cars and 130 two-wheelers. The residential part contains 196 two-wheelers and 100 four-wheelers. There are 8 buildings of 2 3 BHK units. Each building consists of 14 units. Thus, there are total 172 units, in which there are 56 units of 2 BHK and 3 BHK respectively. These buildings goes up to 7 floors high, each floor having height of 3.15 meter. The 2 BHK unit has the carpet area of 110 square meter and the 3 BHK unit have carpet area of 120 square meter, each having one master bedroom minimum. Then comes the 4 BHK building, which are 2 in numbers having 10 units each. Thus, there are total 20 units of 4 BHK. Each floor has height of 3.1 meter and there are total 5 floors in the building. There are 2 different units on one floor, each having different carpet area. One having carpet area of 160 square meter and other having carpet area of 180 square meter. Then comes the 4 BHK duplex bungalow, which are 3 in number, which are at the entrance of the residential part. The carpet area of lower level is of 92 square meter and upper level is of 85 square meter. It is a G+1 bungalow having one bedroom at the ground level and other 3 at the first floor level. It has a double height dining space and also sloping roof. Then comes the amenity space. It serves at the river side of the site. It has one multi-purpose hall, one swimming pool area and one indoor game space. It has a stepped seating which gives the view of the river and also multi-purpose hall can be used for various functions. These are some site sections and some site views.